Hi, this is Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and here's our update. So we did apply to the Samsung Solve for Tomorrow contest, and unfortunately, we weren't one of the 300 state finalists. There's always next year, no worries, it's okay, but let's see who did make it. Let's share this tab, and let's root for those schools, and I'm going to focus, because we are in New York, to those schools that made it from New York. So you'll see the whole list of 300 alphabetized by state. MN, we're getting there. So it looks like here's some schools in New Jersey. Here's the New York. So we have one right here in Brooklyn. New York, New York, Manhattan Center for Science and Math, Floral Park. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5 schools we're going to root for. All right, and then you can take a look at the rest of the schools. Maybe you see a school you're familiar with. Scroll down. So congratulations to those 300 state finalists. Let me go back to the Samsung Solve for Tomorrow homepage. All right, so they moved on to phase 2 of the contest, and every now and then we'll check back and see what's going on. I'd love to see those ideas and, of course, the national winner. All right, so good luck, and we will do this next year. Thanks for watching.